Today while we're in New Orleans, we're taking a trip to the Sazerac house, which is located at 101 Magazine Street. The Sazerac house is free to tour. They have complimentary tours. You just have to register online.
You get 3 specialty drinks, and it's very interactive.
It takes about an hour and a half to get through the tour. Self-guided. You kind of just go around 3 floors. They give you samples as you go. They talk about the different parts of the Sazerac cocktail, which was invented in 1850 and is one of the first cocktails ever made.
They also have a large area on the bitters process, and that was real interesting to see how they do that.
House is owned by the Buffalo Trace Company, who sell some Buffalo Trace products at the Sazerac house. Just a bottle of Buffalo Trace, which is pretty hard to find here in Pennsylvania, and they even provided me with a bubble protector to put it in my luggage for the flight home. Next, we're at the Pharmacy Museum, which is located in the French Quarter. Costs $10 a person for adults to get into the Pharmacy Museum. Again, it's a self-guided tour. Doesn't take very long, but there's a couple stories and a lot of very interesting information.
A lot of old type remedies that they used for anything you could imagine.
The Pharmacy Museum was the home of Mr. Louis Duffalo Jr. He was America's first licensed pharmacist. This is an old pharmacy counter with a giant mortar and pestle. They had a nice outside area.
Most of the buildings in New Orleans have an outside courtyard in the back that either has tables for a restaurant or just an area for you to stand in and enjoy the weather.
Check their website for an event schedule where live music is in the courtyard.
Second story. These are prescription pads from way back. That's how they kept track of what they gave to people.
It's a pair of glass eyes.
They also had a big focus on optometry with eyes and eyeglasses.
The New Orleans Pharmacy Museum is open on Tuesday through Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Seniors, students, and military are $7, and children 6 and under are free. No reservations are required. There's Cultural Museum. It's not very big, not a whole lot to see there.
It's basically a little coffee shop that has Irish whiskey and some of the drinks. There was a very small room that had a couple pictures on it, but that was about it.
Here Amy's having a Dublin fog, which is a take on London fog, and I was having a classic Irish coffee.
We needed it because it was freezing that day.
For watching, everybody. Be sure to like and subscribe.